Be very cautious of the soaps that you use, the shampoos that you use, also the creams that you put on your skin. In many shampoos today, there is a chemical and it's called sodium lauryl sulfate. And sodium lauryl sulfate makes it foam and it kills hair follicles. So it's important to buy shampoo that doesn't have sodium lauryl sulfate because that certainly can contribute to hair loss.
Are the beauty products you use every day secretly harming you? Dr. Barbara O'Neill reveals the shocking truth behind your favorite items. Stay tuned as we uncover the hidden toxin in your shampoo that could cause hair loss, why your skincare routine might be messing with your hormones, the common toothpaste ingredient that's hurting more than helping your smile, artificial fragrances that could be irritating your skin, and the residues left on your clothes from laundry detergents. Every day, millions of us trust popular beauty products to make us look and feel our best. But what if these items are doing more harm than good? Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a leading authority in natural health, is sounding the alarm. From shampoos to skincare, you'll be shocked at what's lurking in your everyday routine. Ever wondered what's in your shampoo that might be ruining your hair? Most conventional shampoos contain sodium lauryl sulfate, or SLS, a chemical that creates the foaming action that we associate with cleanliness. While it may feel like it's doing a great job, SLS is actually quite harsh on your hair. It strips away natural oils, leading to dryness and breakage. Additionally, SLS can irritate your scalp and skin, potentially causing rashes or exacerbating conditions like dandruff. Studies suggest that SLS might even have long-term effects on your hair and scalp health. To avoid these issues, opt for shampoos labeled as SLS-free. These alternatives are gentler on your hair and scalp, helping to maintain natural moisture and prevent damage. Is your skincare routine secretly messing with your hormones? Many popular skincare products contain parabens, preservatives used to extend shelf life. However, parabens can mimic estrogen in the body, potentially disrupting your hormonal balance. This hormonal disruption can lead to various health issues, including increased risk of certain cancers. It's not just a concern for women. Hormonal imbalances affect everyone. Fortunately, many brands now offer paraben-free products that are safer and just as effective. By choosing paraben-free skincare, you can protect your hormonal health and avoid potential negative effects. Could your toothpaste be causing more harm than good? Fluoride is a common ingredient in toothpaste due to its cavity-fighting properties. However, excessive fluoride can lead to dental fluorosis, which weakens tooth enamel and can cause cosmetic issues such as white spots or streaks on the teeth. For some people, this can be more harmful than beneficial. Children are especially at risk if they swallow fluoride toothpaste. Fortunately, fluoride-free options are available and can be just as effective in maintaining oral health without the risks. Switching to fluoride-free toothpaste can protect your teeth from potential damage caused by too much fluoride and keep your smile healthy. Are you aware of the hidden chemicals in your favorite perfumes and lotions? Artificial fragrances in perfumes and lotions often contain synthetic chemicals that can cause allergies, skin irritation, and even disrupt hormones. These fragrances might smell pleasant, but they can lead to symptoms like itching, redness, or more severe allergic reactions. In some cases, they can contribute to long-term skin issues or sensitivities. Opting for products with natural or no added fragrances can help mitigate these risks. By choosing fragrance-free or naturally scented products, you can avoid irritation and keep your skin healthy. What about the residues left on your clothes from laundry detergents? Many conventional laundry detergents leave behind chemical residues on your clothes. These residues can transfer to your skin, leading to irritation or allergic reactions, especially for those with sensitive skin. These chemicals can also affect your respiratory system if inhaled. Switching to natural, biodegradable detergents reduces exposure to these harmful residues and is better for both your skin and the environment. Using natural detergents can help minimize skin irritation and provide a safer alternative for cleaning your clothes. By making just a few simple swaps in your daily routine, you can protect your skin, hair, and overall health from harmful toxins. Dr. O'Neill's insights go beyond just beauty. They're about safeguarding your well-being and ensuring that the products you use every day support rather than undermine your health. Ready to ditch those harmful ingredients and make healthier choices? Check the labels of your beauty products and start switching to safer alternatives today. Your body will thank you. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more life-changing tips from Dr. Barbara O'Neill. And don't forget to comment below, what beauty product are you most surprised to learn about? Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know which products you're thinking of switching out. Stay tuned for more eye-opening content that helps you make the best choices for your health.